Good morning, students. This video is for grade 8th, subject science, block 12 combustion, LP4 combustion and oxidation. The aim of this lesson is to explain the difference between combustion and oxidation. The keywords are oxidation and combustion. Resources required are notebook and exit content book. Students, in this block, in LP1 we discussed about combustible and non-combustible substances. LP2 was about conditions necessary for combustion, and in LP3 different types of combustion with example we discussed. Now there are some questions. Students, you can pause the video and try to answer these questions. How can you classify substances as combustible and non-combustible? What are the conditions necessary for combustion? What is ignition temperature? Now you can resume the video again. The substances that can burn are called combustible substances, and the ones which do not burn are called non-combustible substances. Combustible material, oxygen and optimum ignition temperature are the conditions which are necessary for burning. Ignition temperature is the minimum temperature which is required by any substance to burn. Now, what are the types of combustion that you learned? How is rapid combustion different from explosion? Let's have a look. Rapid combustion. In this, substance burns rapidly to produce heat and light. It is most common type of combustion, and the substances which show rapid combustion are generally having low ignition temperature. Examples are burning of LPG, CNG, biogas, candle, petrol, magnesium ribbon and paper. Slow combustion. It occurs when substance burns slowly to produce light and heat. Examples are burning of wood, coal and cow dung. Next is spontaneous combustion. As the name is suggesting, in this substance burns its own without being ignited. For example, burning of white phosphorus, coal dust in coal mines and forest fire. This is the reason the white phosphorus is stored in water. The next is explosion. When substance burns suddenly, producing sound along with the heat and light, it is known as explosion. We can say that explosion is just similar to the rapid combustion, but the only difference is the production of sound here. Examples are burning of firecrackers and burning of hydrogen gas. Now, what is the similarity and difference between combustion and oxidation? So first we will see that how these two processes are similar. In both combustion and oxidation, substance reacts with oxygen to form their oxides. And in combustion, heat and light are also produced along with other products. So we can say that all combustion reactions are oxidation, as without oxygen combustion is not possible, but all oxidation reactions do not produce heat and light, so they are not always combustion reactions. We can see here the comparison of oxidation and combustion. In the first picture, there is a rusting of iron nail. Now, as we all know that iron nail get rust by reacting with the atmospheric oxygen and moisture. So, oxidation is the process when a substance reacts with oxygen, and therefore this first picture is showing oxidation process. But in the second picture we can see that combustion is taking place, because along with the oxygen here light and heat energy is also producing. So all the oxidation reactions require not necessarily combustion, but all the combustion reactions are a type of oxidation reaction. What products are formed when magnesium burns, and what products are formed when hydrogen burns? Is this example of combustion? Give reason. Is combustion of coal an oxidation reaction? Can oxidation of aluminium to aluminium oxide be called combustion? What is formed when substance containing carbon like coal, LPG and wood are burnt? What will happen if they do not get sufficient oxygen to burn? So students, let's have the answers of all these questions. As we know that magnesium burns in the presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen burns to form water, which is an oxide of hydrogen. In both the cases, heat and light are produced. So, both are the examples of combustion. The combustion of a coal is an oxidation reaction as coal mainly contains carbon and which reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas. The oxidation of aluminium to aluminium oxide is not a combustion reaction as heat and light are not produced during this reaction. Most of the fuels contain carbon or compounds of carbon. When they burn and form carbon dioxide gas, but in lack of oxygen, incomplete oxidation occurs and carbon monoxide gas is produced, which is a poisonous gas. So children, what we learned today? Today we learned the similarity and differences between combustion and oxidation. And we also saw that all the combustion reactions are oxidation, but all the oxidation reactions are not necessarily combustion. Now it's a quiz time. Students, you have to solve these questions in your notebook and share with me. What are oxidation reactions? How are they different from combustion? Which gas is released when any carbon containing fuel is burnt in lack of oxygen? Thank you students. Have a great day.